Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from the glorious Nurburgring, and because it is a lovely place, look at it all. I mean, there's traffic everywhere at the moment, but we have a really sick car today, and we've already been out because you'll see the difference in the weather, but we've got it here now. It's parked up and we're not going out in the queue. So Sean is here, the owner of this beautiful green, is it British Racing Green?
Le Mans Green.
Le Mans Green.
That's it, Le Mans Green.
Vauxhall VX220, but the supercharged one, not the turbo one. So, Sean, tell us about your car, mate.
Sure, thanks. So, probably a dream car for me, Vauxhall VX220. If anyone's familiar with Project Gotham Racing 3 on the Xbox 360, this is when I used to race this on there, and I saw one when I was a kid as well. So, it's a Lotus Elise chassis, but obviously like co-developed with General Motors and Vauxhall. So, we've got the Vauxhall body on it, Vauxhall 2.2 engine. I think it's from the Astra van or the Omega it was in as well. It's got a M62 supercharger on it. It's charge cooled as well. Got some nice cooling at the front, new fans and all that. What else has like been flashed on ECU? So it's like a stage 1, I guess, running about 260 horsepower.
Is it really?
Yeah, it is indeed.
No way.
Previous owner did most of these the performance mods, which is like Lotus Exige suspension as well. It's like it's got bigger brakes on the front too. So
well, let's have a look at the brakes.
Really good stopping power on these.
Are they 4-pot brakes or
just two pots?
Just big 2-pot brakes.
Big 2 pots with they've got really good brake pads, carbon Lorraine pads, which are really good. Although they kick out loads of dust, which is why my lovely bronze wheels have gone a bit brown.
Yeah, they are very black with brake dust.
They're black, but one of my favourite things I did was I got the whole interior redone. If you want to have a look, so
yeah, and it is so nice, this interior as well.
These used to didn't even come carpeted, so I carpeted the full thing. And then I set my seats to get recovered. It's the whole classic green over tan style. And I've got the houndstooth, or like sort of Pepita houndstooth centres, like what you would get in a Porsche. And then I've also got my old skateboards turned into the gear stick as well.
Yeah, that is a nice touch.
Really fun touch there. And then all the Alcantara around here. I've got the green Targa top, so we've got the roof off just now. As you can probably tell, I find it really difficult to fit in this.
Yeah, Sean is 6'4", so his head is literally like here. It's not, yeah, it doesn't really fit.
Can't do it with a helmet. If you want, I'll open the engine, you can have a look at the supercharger. And
oh yeah, let's have a look.
You can have a look. So you can see.
Oh, nice.
Got the supercharger at the back, and then I painted the cam cover red. And
I don't know if you can quite see it, but there's an intake down there right next to the opening. That's why it sounds really good with the supercharger.
You get the big whine, and you suck it all.
Because it does whine so well, doesn't it?
It's really good. And some like extra cooling here and there, and a new header tank and stuff. So
yeah,
really fun.
It's a very clean engine, mate, but it's a nightmare to work on.
It is absolute hit. So I had some welding done on the exhaust around Christmas time, and when I got the car back, the guy said, "Never bring this car back. I'm never working on it ever." So I need to find a new guy to do any of my exhaust work.
It's not me. I just want to point that out.
No, definitely not. But I do love it to bits. Got carbon spoilers. Well, this is actually carbon. I've had this wrapped as well, and then got the splitter on the back painted black again. So I redid that recently, and just redid the grills, painted them up as well. Just made it nice.
Just little bits to tidy it up,
freshen it up, because it's coming on 23 years old now. So
it doesn't look 23 years old. They've aged really well.
So nice.
Timeless.
I really like it. Really lightweight. I think it's stock. It's about 900 kilos, so I'm like 10% of the car when I jump. But it flies on the track. It's really light and it's fun to steer as well. It's a manual rack too, so no power steering, no hydraulic steering, a fully manual rack.
Nice. One thing I really like is the upright exhaust.
Yeah, that.
I love that.
The silencer is the tiniest silencer, and the exhaust actually forms a strange S-shaped pattern underneath the engine.
To give it some sort of back pressure, I suppose.
In a weird shape. So, but great little car. Wanted one for a long time. Kind of like my dream car, achievable dream car. So. Yeah, loved it. Love taking you out, Matt, so thanks so much for coming out with me.
Yeah, thank you for taking me out. And on that note, I think we should cut to the lap, because it was mental, and you'll hear so much supercharger noises. It was mad, wasn't it?
I loved it, man.
It was so good.
Absolutely whining away.
It was great. So yeah, let's cut to the lap. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Just heading onto the track now. Sean keeps touching me inappropriately on my leg. Alright, let's go. I'm so excited.
I need to get really close so I can.
Oh mate, I could have done it out of this window for you.
did it. I did it.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wow, that goes. Oh my god, that sounds bad. It keeps pulling. Yeah, you're all good. There's nothing behind. Keep going, keep going.
I think I'm running off the speed now.
Oh man, that's so quick. Oh, this is so good. Nice, very nice downshift. Oh, there's no body roll. It just goes. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is fun. Oh my god. There's GT3 behind. Stay a bit wider here and then cut in. That's it. And then flat here. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh, keep going, you're good. Mate, you were all over him then. Yeah, Jordan's behind you now. Come on, have the time mark, let's go! Come on, flat. Well, you can flat through here. Ezra's coming up on your left. Keep up with Jordan. Jerry's coming on your left. Oh my god, this is like Fast and Furious, man. Oh, this thing is so grippy. Brake hard at the end of the stripes.
We've got an exit on.
Yeah, go on, yeah, let's go. This is fun. Mate, good driving. It's so good. Oh, you can flat down from here.
No, don't turn at the end.
It feels horrible, doesn't it? Turn in now. There you go, bang on. When you go around here, aim right to the top of the corner, like they're doing, and then cut in nice and tight.
Oh, I've gone too soon.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah.
It's all good, it's all good.
I'm still in.
And then you can flat down here. Go, let's go! Hey, this thing pulls so hard. Oh, this is so good. Brake nice and late here. Just now. Yeah, there you go. That was perfect. Perfect. Stay wide here. Sorry, brake now. Go wide. And then cut in now. And then out towards the line. There you go. And then nice and wide here. And then you can turn in and flat. That was really good. Same here, stay a bit wider. That's it. Follow the line, cut in, and then flat right on through here. There you go. And then nice wide to the left. Then BM behind.
I'm pitching in right now.
Yeah.
Keep pitching in.
Yeah, good one, man. Good one. Yes, let's go. Mate, you can't keep up. That was a girl. There's a Cayman behind. Yeah, go. Yeah, stay wide.
man.
No, but I thought we should have taken. Probably too courteous there.
Eh?
I think I was too courteous. I think I was.
That's alright. This is so good. I reckon you can have this Beamer.
Yeah, I think we might be able to get it.
Yeah. Right, go on nice and wide. Yeah, go on nice and wide. And then you can keep sort of in the middle here. Right. And then at this bit of grass, cut in nice and tight. Cut in the apex and then you can go flat all the way through. Go to the right. Right, now cut nice left. You're all clear behind. Right, then cut through. You can have this Beamer as well. Right, stay to the right. And then at here you need to brake and turn in. Yeah, I reckon you can have it. Stay left. Sit, level brakes in. Yeah, go. Flat. When you get to, stay left. When you get to the apex, brake. Hard brake. You want to go down a second here. Oh no, you should be alright. Yes, go. And then go out to the left. And then flat. You can go straight. That's it. And then tip it in the carousel. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is mad! This is madness! So right, change down, turn in. And you can get to here and you can flat all the way through. That's it. Over, stay to the left. Brake now, turn in. That's it, nice man. Straight and it goes to the left. Brake, turn in. And double brakes, turn in. That's it. Right, that's it, and then flat. You should be able to carry the speed through here, because it's not a very tight corner. And then stay to the right, because we're coming up to YouTube corner.
Right, okay.
That's it, nice man, follow the line, cut in tight, there we go, let's go.
Let's go, little one.
Yeah man, got third gear around here. Oh, we got a bit wide then.
I'm a bit untidy,
That's alright. We got around there safe, it's all good. These tyres are phenomenal.
yeah, they've got insane. We're very lucky.
Right, flat. You go flat down through here. Because this is the jump. You want to dab the brakes before, off, on, back, and on power.
Not bad.
Right. Little dab there, off, brake, on the brake, down, and then power on through. Go out nice and wide, and then cut in. There you go. Porsche on your left. Right, you're all clear now, mate. And then flat, you can just go flat down through here. Stay to the left. Brake and turn in. Stay to the right. Oh, hang on, Corrado. Whoa.
Oh,
No, you're all good, Go on, stay, that's it.
I'm just letting go.
It's all good. He come up way too quick.
Oh, did it?
He come up so quick.
Grab the fucking ditch this carousel.
Yeah, it's alright. It's all good. It's all good. He literally come right up behind you.
Yeah, I could smell it, man. Smell it.
Follow these boys, you can keep up with these. Stay to the right, there's Beamer. Oh, flat, I reckon you can have it.
time would be
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
It does help. Was I helping?
Yeah, so the difference.
Oh, there's Ezra.
The difference in calling out.
Come off here.
Yeah.
Come off here, and then we'll go back up into the car park.
Is it a straight right here?
Just in here, yeah.
Cut, yeah.
That was really good. I really enjoyed that. Thank you so much for taking me out.
Fun.